Alright, what I got here is a 2011 Fit Eddie1. So, I guess we'll just start here with the bars. These are the Fit Eddie1 bars that it comes with. So, these are stock, but I just ordered some new ones, so they'll be here Tuesday. These aren't the grips they came with, but they're Edwin Del Rosso animals. This is the stock fit stem that comes with, I guess you could say. It's alright. The fit forks that it comes with too. And then they got on the other side. Mine are a little bit scratched up from dropping them, I guess. Here I got a orange plastic pivotal seat. It's Miraco. It's from a Miraco. I think it was the 2011 Bronson or something like that. And then it's a premium seat post I got in there. I don't know what's all stock and what's not. I haven't looked it up yet. I got this off a buddy. What I got here is kind of garbage for right now, but hope to get new ones soon. Haro cranks. Alright, we'll go down to the pedals now. What I got here is red plastic Eastern pedals. They're not bad. I just got them like a week ago. They're pretty good. Nice grip. Now to the sprocket. McNeil sprocket. There's somewhere on here that says McNeil. I think it's like right in here, something like that. Doesn't matter. It's red. And then for the chain, red KMC chain. It's not bad. I just got it as well as the sprocket too. Now for rims. X rims, they're red. They're not the ones that came with it, but yeah, I got them. They were on the bike when I got it from my friend, so that's what I have on it right now. I don't really know what the treadings are, but they work for me, I guess. And I don't know if they're the ones that came on the bike, but they're actually doing their job, so that's it. Show you how loud my hub is. Yep, and that's about it. It's the hub. And the front one has really nothing on it to see. Here's the one side of the bike. Here's the other. Yep. So 2011 Fit Eddie1 for you.